Today I fell from my cycle and bruised my knee. Nothing serious, just a small cut. And look, the blood has already dried up. Ever wondered how the body heals bruises? Well, the red colored fluid that flows inside the blood vessel is called blood. Observe the blood in this tube. The top part of the tube is liquid. This is called plasma. The part of the bottom consists of blood vessels. These are red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. Plasma carries nutrients, gases, and waste products to and from different organs. Red blood cells or RBCs contain an important protein called hemoglobin, which helps in carrying oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. The white blood cells or WBC are the soldiers of the body. They help fight infections and kill germ-causing infection, thus building our immunity and keeping us strong and healthy. The third component is platelets. They play an important role in the clotting of blood, just like in my bruise. And now you know how the body heals itself. Isn't our body amazing?